Vlogmas day 19, and it's 6 p.m. Like I said, usually it's going to be short days, but guess what? I'm on vacation now. So excited. So excited. That was kitties running around. So I haven't even done any advance. It was a very long day. It was full. It was productive. I think it was good. And it's nice to be on vacation now. That's Phoebe. Okay, day 19. Teapigs. What do you see? Peppermint leaves. Where there is tea, there is hope. Arthur Wing Pinero? Not quite sure. The kitties are really running around. She's so funny. Let me see if I can show you. Phoebes, what are you doing? Playing with a toy? Hi. Okay, I actually really love peppermint tea, so this is perfect. Might have this tonight, but we have 2 more advents to get through, so yeah. Let's see how we make out. Well, remember, I usually turn into a pumpkin at 8 o'clock. Although I don't have to go to work tomorrow, so but I'm excited. I really enjoy mornings, so I usually still get up really early. Yeah, when I have to go to work, I usually get up around 4 or 4:30. She's still running around. And on the weekends or my days off, I would say usually I'm up by 5, but sometimes still 4 or 4:30. So yeah. All right, let's read what it says on the back. Oh my gosh, you guys, let me see if I can show you. Phoebe, what are you doing? What you got? You got something? She only has 3 legs, but she gets around very well. So, yes. Okay, let me go get another Advent. Up next is Tea Thoughts. So remember, we do this every other day. So we're doing number 10 in the countdown. And yeah, as you know, she always includes this little paper to let us know what it is. But we're going to see if we can figure it out before we read it. Look at the teacup. Remember, you can buy that wrapping paper. So adorable. Oh my. This is adorable. Okay, this is what I'm seeing. So neat. Let's see. So, organic matcha fruit bites. Real fruit and Japanese matcha. Green tea nutrients. Natural pick-me-up. Peach mango. Wait, are these like gummy bears? That is so cool. So there's 2 that are peach mango. And an apple ginger. 2 that are apple ginger. That is so interesting. Okay. Apple ginger. Jeanette, which one do you want to open? Apple ginger or peach mango? Peach mango. Oof. Thank you. I don't like ginger. But she loves ginger. Okay. Ooh. Very mango-y. Mango-y. Am I supposed to just eat these? Remember, she tells us what we're supposed to be doing. Matcha fruit bites. Today's treat is one to help you power through your to-do list. These matcha bites are a fun and fruity snack that will give you a little boost of energy or serve as a treat when you have a craving. There are 2 different flavors. My favorite is apple ginger. Well, I'm still gonna have to try apple ginger, and I look at that. This is what it looks like. I need a manicure. That is so interesting. I would eat these. I am eating these. You can taste the matcha. And my taste buds are changing so much. I really like that. But you can really taste like the peach and the mango. I'm gonna be up all night. The texture is kind of like, how would I describe that? I mean, when I first look at them, I think of some of the kitty treats that I get for the kitties. It's almost like if a gummy bear made out with something, but I can't quite figure it out. Those are good though. Thank you, Nazanin. Naz. Thank you. Jeanette, come taste these.
One moment.
There's not gonna be any left. Those are so good.
Is that the same flavor?
Yeah. That's this one. Peach mango. What do you think? You can really taste the matcha though, right?
You can.
But you can taste the peach and the mango?
It's really good.
So I said that it tastes like a gummy bear made out with something. Something like powdery, but I can't figure it out.
Matcha?
Yes. It's like a gummy bear made out with matcha. That's awesome. 2 out of 2 people love these. Right?
Right.
All right. Which one should we put in the box? We have 2 of each, so we'll put apple ginger or peach mango.
Peach mango?
Yeah, because we know we like it. And I want to share things that I like. This is going to go in the kindness box. Let me go get that. Here's the box. Oh my god, that smells so good. Okay. This is going in here. Look at that. So much stuff. All right, I am gonna go make a cup of tea, and then we'll finish off with the last advent. But yeah, we'll make tea first. Be right back. Okay, wait. Are you waiting? Not Gary's cup of tea. Okay, so we made some tea. Jeanette opted for what we call brown tea in our house, and it's in an old Tim Hortons mug. And if anybody ever watched the review I did on something about soluble tea, yeah, she fell in love with it. Weird. And I am having the chai that we got in the Advent from Fortnums. So we're gonna sit down and watch some TV. We'll catch up with you soon. Nothing super exciting. Okay, so we're gonna do Fortnums. We've been watching, what are we watching, Jeanette?
Sister Act.
Sister Act, and enjoying our tea. And we had nachos too. All right, let's see what day is it?
Thursday. Oh, 19.
There's not a Thursday on here. The 19th, what is that? Like a tea tray, like a tiered thing. This really hurts my hands. Jeanette's gonna do it. What does it say?
Gin and tonic flavored green tea.
Oh. Ooh. Nope, smell that. I didn't like the smell of it.
There must be juniper berries in it.
Oh, let's read on the back. Gin and tonic. Gin and tonic flavored green tea. A refreshing green tea inspired by Fortnum's classic gin and tonic. Made with juniper berries. How did you do that, Jeanette?
Gin.
What?
It's gin.
What's gin?
Juniper berries.
Juniper berries are gin?
Well,
What? Learn something new every day. And a finishing twist of lime zest. So the ingredients are green tea, licorice root, juniper berries, gin flavoring, sweet blackberry leaves, coriander seed, lime peel, tonic flavoring, angelic root, and bergamot flavoring. Interesting. It smells weird. Very weird. It smells weird. Like I can't even explain it. Like kind of like a shoe. Like a new shoe though, not a used shoe. Well, there's a difference. I'll have to try this one though, because that's just interesting. Look at the little tag. So cute. Okay, looks like I'm tired. I am, gonna probably pretend I'm gonna finish this movie, but probably I'm not. Probably gonna go to bed. All right, we'll have more tomorrow because I'm on vacation now. So talk to you in the comments. See you tomorrow. Take care. Bye.